Hey, guess what? You can invite your friends to come like your Facebook page, but how to do it and why should you do it? Let's talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. I'm gonna go to one of the Facebook pages that I am an admin of. And by the way, this feature was really helpful in the old classic Facebook UI, but then it disappeared, but now it's back. And it's really, really cool. So when you go to a page that you manage, that you are an admin of, what you want to do is go to these three dots right here, and then you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see an option called invite friends. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me move it up. There you go, invite friends. So click on that, and now look at this. I can invite like 2,800 people. I can click on select all. And then send invitations. Let me resize this because I want to show you. You can also send them invite through the messenger. It's really, really cool. Another cool thing is you can also select people that are in different Facebook groups with you. So for example, let's say I only want to invite people from LinkedIn lead machine, people who are, there's only one person. Let's go back and pick another example. So what about social media strategy group? So let's look at that. So there are 130 people that are in this group. So I can select them all and then invite them to like that Facebook page. Really, really simple. I'm excited that this feature is back. Now, be very careful. Don't just invite every single person to come like your Facebook page, because then it's going to be spam, and a lot of your friends may not be relevant to your Facebook page or business. So make sure people that you invite to your Facebook page, they are relevant and it makes sense, because otherwise they may not join it, or even if they join it, they may not engage with your Facebook page, and it's going to hurt you in the long run. So it's really handy feature for small businesses, or if you have a brand new Facebook page or a business, you can, instead of having a ghost town, you can invite some people from your friends list to come follow you or like your page. But make sure those people are relevant and it makes sense to invite them to your Facebook page, because you don't want people who are not active or engaged on your Facebook page, because then your organic reach and your future performance of your Facebook page will go down. All right, if you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.